In today's class, we shall be studying one of the numericals in mathematics, which is the most important one with respect to your exams. A solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. So, a solid, it is in the form of a cylinder and the ends are in the shape of hemisphere. So, the total height of the solid is 20 centimeter. That is from this end to from the top most end to the bottom, the total height is 20 centimeter and the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. So, the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Find the total volume of the solid. So, we have to find the volume of the given solid. So, these are the given parameters. First, let us write the given parameters. What they have given? They have given the height of the solid, that is 20 centimeter. Then they have given the diameter of the cylinder, that is 7 centimeter. The units are in the same. Both the units are in centimeter. So, no need of any conversion. Now, we are supposed to find the volume of the solid. Observing the diagram, it is very clear that the solid, it is the combination of two figures. One is hemisphere and one more is cylinder. So, we should find out the volume of hemisphere. We have two hemispheres. So, volume of two hemispheres plus volume of cylinder, we will be getting the volume of the solid. So, this is the method of solving the whole problem, for which we should know the volume of the hemisphere and the volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h, and volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Since we have two hemispheres, multiply by 2. What is the volume of the hemisphere? It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And they have given in the question, we have to use pi as 22 by 7. So, we will be using pi as 22 by 7. But what about r? What is the radius of the solid or the cylinder? What is the radius of the cylinder? We know that this complete measurement, that is the diameter, is 7. Hence, r will be d by 2, which is nothing but 7 by 2, nothing but 3.5 centimeter. So, in place of r, that is for the radius of the hemisphere, and the radius of the cylinder and the radius of the hemisphere, both are 7 by 2, nothing but 3.5, that we will be substituting here. Now, what is this h? It is the height of the cylinder. We know the complete height, but I want the height of the cylinder. To get the height of the cylinder, we need to eliminate the height, or the hemispherical part has to be eliminated. So, you have to subtract the diameter here. You can observe here, from here to here it is radius. From here to here it is also again radius. R plus R is nothing but 2R, which is again the diameter value. That is nothing but 7 centimeter. So, subtract this 7 from 20, we will be getting the height of the cylinder. So, the height of the cylinder is equal to 20 minus 7. How did we get 7? We know that the distance from here to here in the hemispherical part, it is radius. Again from here it is radius. R plus R is 2R, which is nothing but the diameter, which is already given. It is 20 minus 7 centimeter. Hence, it is 13 centimeter. Now, on substituting these formulas, we can observe here pi r square, and pi r square is common. So, let us take it out in order to make our calculation easier. We have to simplify that in simple way. We have to reduce it into the simplest form. So, pi r square is common in both the terms. Remaining is h plus 2 as it is into 2 by 3. Pi and r is already removed. Pi r square is already removed. R is left out. That is equal to pi r square into h plus 4 by 3 r. That is equal to, now we can substitute the values, 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 since it is r square, and h value, height of the cylinder is 13 centimeter, plus 4 by 3 into r value is 7 by 2. 7 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 sevens are 77 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 twos are 7 twos are 14 by 3. 13 plus 14 by 3. On taking LCM, we get that as 77 by 2 into LCM is 3. 13 threes are 39 plus 14. That is equal to 77 by 2 into 53 by 3. In decimal form, 77 divided by 2 is 38.5 into 53 divided by 3 is 17.66. On multiplying both, we get it as 680.17. What is the unit for volume? It is centimeter cube. So this is the approximate volume of the solid.
So here is the formula list. You can take the screenshot of this table, which will help you to revise all the formulas. If you know all these formulas, it will be very helpful to solve the problems based on surface area and volume. Hope this video is useful.